Hello guys, welcome to our second video on fast typing, and today we are continuing with our tutorials on TypingClub.com. So today we're going to be learning an added key, the space key. So on the last video we learned the F and the J key, and today we're going to add an additional key, which is the space bar. So here you're going to type F, then space, and you want to really maintain a slow rhythm to it. Try as much to avoid errors and go as slowly as you can. There's no reason to go very fast if you are making errors. So you go very slowly and you are not looking at the keyboard while you are typing. Good job. So now we have a different interface with a little more keys. So I really insist on the fact that you should do this very slowly. Avoid making errors. So even if it takes you typing one letter every 5 seconds, that's alright. But just make sure you are not looking at the keyboard and you are avoiding errors as much as possible. So by typing, each key is going to build a memory of the key in your brain, and your brain is going to get used to the position of that key, and it's going to be easily going to replicate it every time you want to do so. The brain is always learning, even if it's not intentional. So take it as slowly as you can and make sure you are avoiding any errors. And congratulations, you had all your stars. So you want to really practice that regularly. The modules are just going to be adding more and more keys, but the procedure is always the same. And if you can do this on a regular basis, cover like 5 modules every day, then before the end of the month or 2 months, you should be really proficient at typing. So hopefully you can practice regularly, and hopefully you can become a fast typer. Good luck.